Yo guys, what is up? Randall here from Crypto Love, and it is 2:30 in the morning right now in Poland. I've got a flight early tomorrow morning, get back to sunny Miami where it's nice and warm. But wanted to make a video for you because while I'm traveling, I probably won't have time to. So today's video is how to earn Bitcoin. I mean, with the price of Bitcoin so high, everybody wants to know how to get it for free. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, before I get into that, thank you so much to everyone subscribing. Thank you to everyone mashing on that like button. We have over 13,000 subscribers. Woo! Thank you. You know who you are. All right, now let's get into it. Basically, there's a bunch of different ways you can earn Bitcoin. None of them are great, but all of them are available. So, first thing I'll show you, there's a website, earn-bitcoins.com. So this has 8 different ways that you can earn Bitcoin. Anything from accepting them as a means of payment if you do have a store of your own, to completing tasks on websites. So there are some websites here where you can view videos and whatever, get your free Bitcoin. You could potentially try that stuff. Get Bitcoin from interest payments, which I'll go over later. You can do mining, so mining is available. Getting tipped in Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, earning it as a regular income, so you can always talk with your boss, see if he's willing to pay you in Bitcoin. That would be worthwhile. And gambling, not suitable for everyone. Most gambling is just a tax on people who can't do math. So, what else? Well, I'm going to go from bad options to better options. So the first bad option is BidConnect. So you could join BidConnect. You could put out BidConnect loans. For 90 days, your money is held up in there before you start seeing a profit. But after 90 days, you see a profit if it doesn't collapse before then. So it's very risky, but you potentially could earn some money. I've recently met some people who've earned a lot of money from BidConnect. So it's possible to earn money, but everybody who's in it knows it's a Ponzi scheme. You too should know it's a Ponzi scheme. So do not think that you're going to, just be in this forever. This is very risky. You can earn money, but those 3 months, your butthole's going to be clenching quite a bit while you're waiting to get a return on your investment. Next one, maybe a little bit less risky, but still, you don't see a profit for 14 months. Next one is Genesis mining. So you can go ahead and do some virtual mining with Genesis mining, and you could start earning Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, whatever through them. But again, you don't see profit for 14 months. The contracts are only 2 years. So out of that 2 years, you're earning profits for 10 months. Is it really worthwhile? Do you make more by just holding Bitcoin? I don't exactly know. I haven't done it myself. From people I've spoken to, some people have seen profits, some people haven't. So again, risky. Okay. Next one. So a lot of the rest of these are for the creative folks. Now, for those of you who don't think you're creative, I mean, just remember back in elementary school when they told you to draw something, or they asked if you were an artist, everybody said, yeah, I can draw. Because guess what? Everybody is creative, okay? There's nothing special about people who post stuff on YouTube. I'm just a dude who puts stuff up here. You guys can do the same thing. So for all the creative people, these next options are coming up for you. I think these are the best, the safest options for making Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, and I think they're really good options for you. So the first one is Steemit. So Steemit, you don't actually earn Bitcoin, but you earn Steem, which you can then trade for Bitcoin. Right now, there's a lot of people who post on Steemit, so even though it is somewhat early, Steemit's only in the beta, it is still kind of, I would say, overexposed in terms of the market. Just to give you guys an idea, so like I've been posting on Steemit, obviously not as much as I post on YouTube, but I've been posting on Steemit for a couple months, and really I've only earned $4.63, so not very much from Steemit. So there's that, but you really have to get a following to do that. There are people like Jerry Banfield who make an absolute killing on this. They make like $15,000 per week, something like that, something crazy. All right. Next one is DTube. So DTube is like YouTube, different one based on Steemit, but you can make a lot of money here. Like if you take a look, Michael from Box Mining, he's making over $83 in an hour per video. So that's something that's kind of out there. So if you think you can produce videos, if you can make videos that people will watch, DTube is definitely one to look at because it's very new. There's not that many people on here. So if you make quality content, people will watch it. You'll make a lot of money from it. All right, next one is kind of brand new. They're just out of their ICO. Their platform isn't complete yet, but this is potentially going to be the Facebook of the blockchain. So this is one to definitely watch out for. Could be absolutely huge. It's like a social network, but you get rewarded similar to how you would get rewarded on Steemit. That's very awesome. It's ONG.social, so they have very cool project here. Definitely look into that. Sign up. get an account, start posting on there, start creating content. You can get free ONG coins, which you can then trade for Bitcoin. All right, next one is one thing that I do. So like, I like to be transparent. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. One thing I do, I make videos about how to use Coinbase. I tell you guys, I ask you guys to please use my referral link on Coinbase. So guys, go start a cryptocurrency channel. There's really not that many people doing cryptocurrency channels. There's maybe like 30, 40 people tops in the world. Okay, so there's a lot of room considering there's 7 billion people in the world. There's room for you. People will listen to you. I mean, people listen to me, and I'm just some schmuck on YouTube. But you can refer people to Coinbase. If they sign up and put $100 in, you get $10 of Bitcoin, they get $10 of Bitcoin. So it is a good program. And if you guys are not investing in Bitcoin, please, in the description, use my Coinbase referral link. Help out the channel very much. I would appreciate it. So that is pretty much my explanation of the top ways that I could see to make Bitcoin without effort. The other one that I didn't really that I didn't mention is mining with your GPU or an ASIC or whatever that is. And you can do that. It requires some know-how. It requires an initial investment to build up the mining rig. But it is another way to get Bitcoin without actually buying it. So there's a lot of options out there. There are ways that you can get Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin's expensive right now. There's probably going to be a correction. I don't know what it's going to. But I wanted to give you guys those ways that you could get Bitcoin so you could go ahead and get your free Bitcoin. That way you could be a millionaire. We could have those sick yacht parties. All right? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this episode, make sure to click the subscribe button. Make sure to mash on that like button. And I will catch you guys later. All right? Peace.